Hey there! In this video, we will be configuring our welcome message settings and perform an initial testing of our Retell AI voice agent based on the earlier prompt that we had set. If you want to see how we came up with a well-structured prompt, please click the link above to learn more. Alright, so before we start, it is important to understand why testing matters. Now, by testing regularly while you're building your prompt or your voice agent, you can identify any errors in your prompt logic, your system messages, or any functions that you build out. Now, moreover, you can make quick iterations based on real-time feedback, as we're going to see in the next few moments. As you can see, this is the prompt that we had built in the last video. And now I'm going to look at our welcome message here just below this prompt box. Let's try user speaks first. Now, based on our persona set and the rules, it should start with a welcoming tone. It's going to greet the caller. So let's test it out. So if I go to the right here, it says test your agent. I'm going to click test. It's going to ask you for the approval to go ahead and give your mic access. So let's test this out. So I'm going to say, hey, how's it going?
Hello. Thanks for calling Clairview Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
So as you can see, it waited until I actually asked it or said something initially. And then it starts to transcribe or convert my speech into text. All right, so I'm just going to end the call here. And let's try something else. It says AI starts speaking after silence. So after a silence time of, let's say, 10 seconds, it's going to ask or say hello itself. But you can give it a static message, or you can just, for example, it can say, hello, how, or let's say, hello, what do you want? Could be really rude, right? You could do anything you want because this is your staff member, and basically whatever you say, it's going to follow it. So let's see. Let's test this out again. Okay, and this time let me reduce the AI entry timeout. So this is basically the time to wait before the assistant starts speaking if the user stays silent. So right about 3 seconds, it's going to say something. Let's see.
Hello, what do you want?
See? So exactly how we told it to react or act, that's how it
Just
acted.
checking in. Are you still there?
Okay, so I'm
How
just
can I
going
help
to
you today?
stop it here. All right, so the other thing is we could also try dynamic message based on the prompt. It's going to greet the caller. So ask, how can I help you today? So let's see. Let's try this out. Hey, how's it going?
Hello, thank you for calling Clairview Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm looking to see what kind of services do you offer?
Just checking in. Are you still there? How can I assist you today?
Okay, so somehow my microphone glitched here, so I'm just gonna reset that. Let me just reset the permission. Hey, I'm looking to see if you guys offer any dental services.
Yes, we do offer a variety of dental services at Clairview Dental Clinic. Could you please let me know what specific service or treatment you're interested in, or do you have a particular dental concern? I'm happy to provide more information.
Yeah, I'm thinking that I could have some teeth whitening done. Do you offer that?
Yes, we do offer professional teeth whitening services at Clairview Dental Clinic. If you'd like, I can provide more details or help you book an appointment for a consultation or treatment. Would you like to schedule a teeth whitening appointment, or do you have any questions about the procedure?
Yeah, so I was thinking maybe I could come in for an appointment tomorrow.
That sounds great. I can help you book a teeth whitening appointment for tomorrow. To get started, can I please have your first name? If you wouldn't mind, could you spell it out for me?
Yeah, it's David, David.
Thank you, David. And your last name?
It's Smith.
Thanks, David. What's your preferred contact number?
It's 587-357-1234.
Thank you. Could you share your email address and please spell it out for me?
I don't want to share my email address, sorry. we don't mind.
That's absolutely fine, David. You're not required to share your email address if you're not comfortable. Let's continue. Which insurance provider will you be using for your appointment?
All right, so that was just a quick demo just to see if the prompt works, if the voice agent follows my instructions. It greeted the patient really professionally and it gave all the information like what services they offer. And then I asked it to book an appointment. So it went to step two, it started collecting all this information, so on and so forth. But we don't have any calendar set up right now, so I didn't go to booking the appointment section. But we're going to learn more about that. That's pretty much it. I mean, you can play around with this, and depending on your client's requirements, you could do some more testing and play around with this. Our end goal is to make a complete voice AI agent that you can actually sell to your clients. This is just a dental inbound assistant agent. You could do this for any service. Okay? So the sky is the limit, to be honest. So in a nutshell, testing and configuring welcome messages are your first line of defense when you're debugging and refining your agent. If you get this part right, everything else becomes easier to build and scale. All right. So in the next video, we will go over the speed settings to make your voice agent sound more natural and human-like. You don't want to miss that one. All right. So make sure to subscribe and like. See you in the next one.